am in the Red Rock Canyon Rainforest, and I'm with the Nessa-Panther, such a rare species. And I'm also here with her mate, the Tucking Tiger. Now, you might notice that I have a leaf and a feather, and this is perfect camouflage in these areas. See, they can't even see me. Now, I'm going to do a call, and hopefully the Tucking Tiger will come. That would be a no. Let's see if I can get the Nessa-Panther to come. That would also be a no. But look it, she's attracted to my camouflage. Oh, she loves it. Now, she's a little bit dark, so I might need to use my flashlight. Can you see her? Look at her. She just loves my camouflage. Oh, and she's attacking. She's attacking. Oh, God. And she's off. Now, here we are with the Tucking Tiger. And I've still got my camouflage, but I lost the leaf in the fight. Now let's see if I can get close to him. Can I get close enough? Oh, wow. Now this is undocumented. This is as close as a human has ever been to a Tucking Tiger. And I just got a butt in the face with a Tucking Tiger. Now, what a rush.